Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name is Charlotte and today we're taking around this used 2023 model Audi A1 Sportback that is fresh in stock and does come complemented in the modernised arrow grey paintwork. Housing a 1 litre petrol engine and handy manual transmission, it is the ideal Nippy City upgrade or as a first car. Topped with plenty of top features including your LED headlights for enhanced visibility, stylish 16-inch alloy wheels, and for added protection, your parking sensors and power folding wing mirrors. The boot does offer plenty of space for all of your daily essentials, whilst the cloth upholstery offers comfort all round, fitted with your ISOFIX points to assist when installing those car seats. This is followed in the front by your multifunctional leather steering wheel for further convenience, with access to your central touch display and again your stylish full cloth trim. And for seamless navigation around the vehicle, you do have your various audio controls on the steering wheel and options to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying all of your vital driving data and various audio, and the added bonus of your speed limiter and cruise control. Moving across, you do have your variation of radio stations, telephone connection, and the added protection of your lane departure warning. And for an enhanced driving experience, you do also have your Audi Drive Select, followed by your main climate controls, power outlets, and central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.